Hey everyone, it's Megamind. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing an exciting new drone. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. The drone comes in some really nice packaging. It feels secure and premium, which is a great start. There are some features mentioned on the box. Let's see what's inside. So here we got a carry bag. Its quality is quite decent. It feels premium. Here's our main attraction, the drone itself. It feels sturdy and lightweight. Next we have got the controller with a simple beginner friendly design. It also comes with spare propellers, USB charging cable and detailed user manual. And here's the good stuff. This drone features dual 1080p SD cameras for clear high quality footage. It's packed with smart obstacle avoiding sensor, making it easier to fly indoors and outdoors. Plus it's designed for VR 3D support, letting you experience a real-time flying with various flight modes and a long-lasting battery life. It's a versatile option for beginners and pros alike. Connecting with the drone is quite smooth. Just turn on the remote and the drone. It will get automatically connected. After the connection successful, the LED will stop blinking and you will get to know. Its camera is movable up to 90 degrees. You can control it with your remote controller. Alright, it's time for the flight test. Let's see this drone in action. This drone is super easy to control. Even beginners can get comfortable with it quickly. With just one tap, the drone takes off smoothly and hovers, thanks to the altitude hold mode. You will notice the obstacle avoiding feature working as smoothly adjusts to avoid objects in its path. And the camera is impressive, capturing clear aerial shots with good stability. It has multiple flight modes like follow me mode, where it locks onto you and captures your moves. And even some fun tricks like 360 flips. The controls are responsive, making it a fun and safe drone to fly around. So there you have it, a solid feature-packed drone with HD cameras, obstacle avoiding and VR support, perfect for capturing your next adventure. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Catch you in the next video.